So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design architecture videos from images. So the first thing I want you to do is of course log into this website. It's going to be runwayml.com. Make sure to log in using your Gmail, that's perfectly fine. And then next up is gathering your image. I just got my images from Midjourney from Discord. These are sample images. So I just got this one right here. And then I'm going to go back right now on the website earlier. So I have two ways for you here. So I'm going to be start with image and then we can compare it later on with text. So with this one, clicking start with image right there, uploading the file, and then just choosing the one we got from Midjourney. Now this method will take around 2 to 3 minutes to finish because it's going to generate a 4-second video out of this one. By the way guys, this is a free trial account that I got and I think I have this enough credits left. If I upgrade this one, this is going to be $17 per month for the standard one I think, and $67 for 1 year. That's going to be unlimited. So as you can see earlier, this is going to be 101 seconds left. After generating this video, I have left with 97 seconds. Now this one is not going to be refreshed for another day or two, so I need to wait for another day or two if I finish all of these credits. So let's just wait for them to finish generating my video. I'll get back to you once done generating. Okay, so hello, welcome back. So Runway ML just finished generating my image to a video, which is actually an architectural video. And I have an option here on the top section that says extend 4 seconds more. That will get 20 credits per generation. That's actually not needed anymore because I just want to show you guys how this works. So from the image earlier, now it's a video, a 4-second video. It's actually pretty good and pretty decent. So that's how you generate an image to a video using this application, okay? By the way guys, another one you can do it by text, the one I told you earlier. Now, I'm just gonna use the text prompt that I used earlier on Midjourney. Simply clicking that one, pasting it right there, and then click on generate. Now we can compare the one I got from the text versus the one with the one of the video. Just wait for it to finish right here. It will take around 2 minutes or 3 and I'll get back to you, okay? So welcome back. Now the text to image or text to video has been generated. We can just check it out right now. And as you can see, basically for me, I love the one earlier with the image from Midjourney, the one I generated from this website, rather than the one I used the text prompt to this website. Basically, I just used the same text prompt from the one on Midjourney and just copied it here. Okay? So basically that's how you use this website and that's how you create architectural videos using image. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.